You guys, you know you're being recorded.
She's like I don't understand her at all.
Oh, one of them just went up and it failed.
Yeah.
Failure.
Fail.
Yeah,
Bobby's an idiot.
I used to pretend she was an emo and a goth. Just so she could hang out with me.
Yeah, because they're like, we love black, and they're really like, when I get angry, I like, she said to me, one of my friends, when I get angry, I cut myself with a ruler like that.
Because she's obviously retarded.
Yeah, you can like
Zoe Fordham, I think she went to Gaywood. She went to Gaywood and then she went to Kent. You probably know Rosie. Rosie Fordham. Ginger. Rosie Fordham, yeah. She used to go to Gaywood.
Of course you know her.
Huh?
Who's Rosie?
Did you know someone called Martha who used to go to Martha Mobley?
Martha,
Martha Mobley, you know her.
Who's Martha?
I don't know.
Win.
Because we went to the same school.
What?
We went to the same school.
I know, it's amazing, Ollie.
Yeah.
It is actually.
Failed.
They are actually blue, they're turning up white on this, like a green colour. Ooh, I can see Ben and somebody, and my dad and somebody else. Yay, it worked. Oh my god, it's all happening at once. Jesus, I'm gonna get a headache after this. Oh god, Ollie, one of them nearly landed next to us a couple of minutes ago. That was hilarious when one of them landed like over there. That's hilarious. Ollie, do you remember one of them landed right over there?
Do you know?
There we go. I know Oliver Crown.
I know
He's a freak.
He's annoying. I know.
Got that right.
Who the heck's he?
Oliver Crown. It's annoying.
He's the most.
So annoying.
I know Anne Oliver that goes to Springwood. He has big ears like monkeys.
Oh yeah, like one of those dudes out of On Off does. He has like monkeys in one of his videos. Really
And then he has bushy
really
eyebrows and he goes like, oh, what's that?
Oh my god. That's disturbing. Ollie, you shouldn't tell me that. I'm gonna have nightmares about monkeys. I really will. I'm kidding. I'm not spazzed up.
I sound like a
monkey.
monkey.
Oh my god, there's a newspaper stuck on it.
That was nice, wasn't it? Yeah.
It's not over yet. We've got loads of fireworks. Oh, there are people that are watching our fireworks.
Kill me!
There are people over the fence.
I was there for fireworks, we're just gonna
There are people getting fireworks for free.
Someone.
Like,
Phoebe.
Phoebe!
Hello, Noemi. There are people over the fence that are getting